Hey, what's happening, recteq family? So we're gonna do a turkey today. We're gonna do it spatchcocked on the recteq. I've got the recteq preheated to 350 degrees on my app. The first thing we're gonna do is make the injection. I love it on Thanksgiving morning to get this injection going. It's also the base for my gravy. It makes the whole house smell like Thanksgiving, so it's my favorite thing to do. It's really easy, simple injection. What we're gonna start with is a stick of butter, or maybe a stick and a half, how about that? We're gonna put that in a pot, and then you're gonna take the backbone where we spatchcock this bird. You're gonna get that in the pot as well. You gotta cut it in half, which is easier said than done. And we're gonna make basically a turkey stock. So we're gonna use some chicken stock we have here, and we're gonna take the giblets that we got out of this guy and put those in here as well. And we're gonna use two 32-ounce containers of chicken broth. Get this over a medium-high heat and let this boil for about 30 minutes. We're gonna put some thyme, rosemary, butter, and a little bit of your favorite barbecue rub. Once that boils for about 30 to 45 minutes, we're gonna inject the bird with this. So we'll see in a bit when we're making this injection. All right, we had to change pots. These were actually 48 ounces. Not 32 ounces, so we've got those in. What I do is make a spice bundle here. We've got rosemary, sage, and thyme. I take some butcher's twine here and I tie those together, this bundle, so we easily can get it out at the end. And we just drop that in the pool with the kids. We're gonna add some garlic. I love using this garlic paste. About a heaping teaspoon of garlic. Goes in there. And then what I like to use is this chicken base and garlic base, better than bouillon. We're just basically gonna put a tablespoon of each, and we're gonna let this boil for 30 minutes. Then we'll cool off a portion for our injection for our bird. Now on to the gravy. No Thanksgiving is complete without a great gravy, and nothing could be simpler for this gravy. We're gonna use this same base that we used as the injection. Now we're just gonna fish the giblets out. So we've got to get that neck, that backbone, all the giblets out. We're gonna dice up very small and put them back in. And really, all we're gonna do from there is add some packets. I like to mix it up, put an au jus, a brown gravy, and a turkey packet. I mix them in, whisk them in, until I get the consistency I like. By the way, this is Camilio Woodworks. A neighbor of mine made this badass cutting board for me. You could check them out on Facebook. They put a bull on there representing recteq, so we really liked it, and I appreciate that. So let's get these giblets out there and dice them up. This is my son's favorite gravy. All right, so we got a plate here, and this cool cutting board came from Signature Mike in Evans, Georgia, man. He has some awesome stuff. He's on Fierce Ferry Road, check him out. But we got our gravy made. Be sure to check it out, hit that subscribe button. But check this out, it doesn't get any better than that. That is on point. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you at the recteq.